Here we are at Jupiter Office Park, building 313. And check this out. I think they might be experiencing the aftermath of their flood. You see, oh, hey, it's the motor room. I bet it's going to be a nice loud motor today. Look at that. That's cool. And yeah, it's your typical construction elevator equipment. What do we got in there? ThyssenKrupp. Classic. It's locked. Yeah, like I couldn't get in there if I wanted to. Your inspection. Looks like this one has not been used in a minute. It's a little under level. We'll get a quick look at the fixtures, but it's your typical Dover 2100 pound capacity. And dare I say it smells a little moldy in here. Believe it or not, I think this place might have suffered a little bit of water damage. Yeah, let's see how loud that motor is. Wow, it's interesting. This and the other elevator. They both run that motor a little long, even after it's done running, or when the doors open on the top floor, right? Still running. Levels very quickly. Oops, sorry about that. That's so interesting. Let's get a good down sound. Oh, whoa. It's also up here. There you go, you can soundbite that. Let's listen to this motor. Well, the video got interrupted, of course. We're gonna send it back up and get a second shot at the motor room sound. Those contactors are nice and loud. Pretty cool. But yeah, that other elevator was certainly the one I'm familiar with. That other one was definitely my childhood elevator. The one that started it all. See y'all next time.